Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. When you have an erratic schedule at work and yet you want to eat something that's nutritious and tasty, then the egg drop curry is a good option. Let's heat 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil is hot. Let's add 2 medium onions that I have finely chopped and we're going to brown them really well. The onions have turned a beautiful golden brown and are caramelizing also. So let's add a teaspoon of ginger and a teaspoon of garlic paste. And I'm going to saute this till the raw smell of the ginger and the garlic is gone. Now it's time to add 2 medium tomatoes that are finely chopped. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water to this. Mix this well and just cover this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes and cook it on a low flame. How beautifully this gravy is cooked. Let's add the spices now. Let's add a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1/2 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, salt to taste, just let's quickly stir this because we don't want our spices to burn. And now to give this gravy a lovely creamy texture, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Let's add another 1/2 cup of water. Now it's time to crack the eggs. I have 5 eggs here. Just let's sprinkle some salt, very little salt on top of these eggs. 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. We want it to look really beautiful when you're serving it. Some finely chopped green chilies. A little bit of finely chopped fresh coriander. So now I'm going to reduce the flame to a low, cover this and cook it for almost 5 minutes or till the eggs are done. This is how the egg drop curry is going to look after 5 minutes of cooking it on a low flame. Let's shut the flame and remove this in a serving bowl. So you can easily cut into this egg curry. I generally serve this egg drop curry with pav or a crisp toast or parathas. You can have any bread of your choice. Do try this simple recipe and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.